Hi YouTube, this is Patrick Antoine, the author of the book Alpha D. This is a book that I publish since, let me see the year of it. Let me see, 2011, that's mean 8 years ago. So, but in this book, I realized the book name is Alpha D, talking about the Alpha diet. But I realized something extraordinary, that this diet, the Alpha diet, this is a diet that I practically get from the Bible. And it's pretty good for the heart. And today I'm going to talk to you about lime. And it is on page 448, but I presented lemon instead of lime because lime and lemon, they are practically the same thing, although the taste, is totally different. So it's just for the taste of the lime, that I put that I'm doing a video about the lime. That's mean if you find lime and you don't find the lemon, which is yellow, and the lime is green, but practically the same thing, you can use it. I have to tell you, lime is very good for the heart. Lime and lemon, because you cannot talk about lime and you do not talk about lemon. I'm going to have a video about lemon after that. So it's good for heart palpitation. So if you have your heart racing, you suffer with heart palpitation, you know what you're gonna do? Take a little lime, have a little lemonade, and put it on a water and drink that, and you will see the calming effect after just a few minutes. So lime, we have chosen it as part of the Alpha diet, or the Alpha D diet. Alpha diet, the book name is Alpha D. So lime, is chosen. This is an evergreen tree native to Asia. And, you can see it has a oval shape. So let me talk to you exactly, because we don't want to do a long video about lime. But I want to tell you that this is a fruit. I can tell you that this is a fruit that is good. Let me tell you all the things that lime is good for. And we know we use it to do our food. And this is also, I have to tell you, an electric food. And this is why, when you drink, the lemonade, it's trigger a electric current into the heart and cause the heart, if you suffer with palpitation, to slow down a little bit. And they use it as a disinfectant, as a sanitary deodorizer, stain remover, and if you get the book, you will see, but the part that is very important, it's good for palpitation, and also it supports the liver, it supports the immune system, your digestive system, skin disorder. If you got a little rash, you take a piece of lime, you rub it on the skin, help with laryngitis, indigestion, cough, like you got cough, or for some reason you got a cold, get a little lime tea, and it's good for cancer. You got any type of cancer, make sure you drink a lot of lime or lemon tea. Gallstone, hiccups, itching, sore throat, insect bite. An insect bite you right there, just what the diabetes. People with diabetes should have their lemon tea. Their lemon tea or lime tea, good for constipation, high blood pressure, arthritis, cold, flu, flatulence, acidosis, dyspepsia, food poisoning, rheumatoid arthritis, atherosclerosis, influenza. Like I said again, heart palpitation and warts. Lime is a source of citric acid enzyme. This is lime and lemon. They're part of the citrus category, and the citrus flavonoid, the folic acid, vitamin A, B1, B6, and C, limonene, flavonoid, potassium, copper, ascorbic acid, phosphorus, manganese, calcium, folate, and malic acid. If you suffer with heart problem, lime, you must take that daily. Actually, this is something that I'm going to include in my personal diet. Make sure every day I get my lime juice or lemon juice, and this is pretty good for the heart. If you want to get this book, it's on Amazon. The name is Alpha D. It's about the Alpha diet. Go on Amazon, type Alpha D, and they will direct you to it and buy it. And in page 441, I talk about lemon. But when you talk about lemon, you also talk about lime. But, the taste is different. And, in my next show, I'm going to talk about lemon, which is practically the same show, which we will, it's just what we will change. It's practically, the fruit itself. One is yellow, the lemon is yellow, and the lime is green. So today we talk about the lime, and our next show, we are going to talk about lemon. So stay tuned for it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and I'm going to put the link to get this book on the video. Send me your comment and tell me what else is lime is good for, and use it and include it in your diet. Let me know the difference that you see in the diet. Support this channel by buying this book. And I thank you very much. This is Patrick, the author of the Alpha Diet, and you can buy it in Amazon. I thank you very much. Bye.